Some people can't live without the surf and the ocean. Some people need to ride horses. I need to ride a bike. It's just a part of me. I think it would be close to 30 years I've been riding motorbikes now. Riding to me is the way of life. My first ride, I must have been 7 or 8, and my own first bike, I must have been about 15 or 16. I got my license shortly after, and I ride almost every day. Riding to me is a meditation. Even if it's a short ride, which I do a lot of, I have 5 minutes. I can lose myself in the moment. I get to do a little creative thinking, just be one with the bike. I don't do a lot of long rides close to where I live, but if I go somewhere, I'd like to get out there with a friend and go exploring. A good friend of mine, Baz Luhrmann, and I rode through India on motorbikes. When you go on those rides and through towns and communities, and you're not sitting in a car or a bus or on a train, you smell everything, you feel the wind, you arrive with dirt on your face, you experience a whole lot. You know, that's what I love. Growing up, like many kids, I had posters on my wall. I also remember having a custom motorcycle book, and there was this one Ducati and it had all the frame exposed. It might have been an early Monster. It was so iconic, and I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. And I think it helped motivate me to work hard and make that dream come true. I think Ducati is Ducati for so many reasons. It's a cultural icon for Italy and for motorbike riders, for racing, all these things that really get my blood pumping, and it excites me creatively. You can look at a bike and you can say that's an 80s bike, that's a 2000, that can look dated and you want to move on to the next model. The Scrambler to me has nailed it. It's a bike that you could buy and own forever, and you could kind of update it and customize it. You can actually hold on to it. The beauty of the Scrambler is everyone gets the same canvas, but you have an opportunity to make it your own. You can leave it, and it's a great looking bike, but the Scrambler is kind of gifted to you to be creative with and customize. It excites me to put my little spin on it.